Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by loading the actual file so you can act immediately. Make sure the target language audio or TTS is available. Once loaded, import that track into the same project. Next, lock the original video track to avoid accidental edits while you work on audio. You do this because keeping the picture intact preserves timing. Once done, align the playhead to the start and prepare to replace or layer audio tracks. Now focus on audio placement. Mute the original dialogue track so you can hear the replacement clearly, then drag the new language audio into the timeline and align it to the visual cues. If timing is off, trim or nudge the clip frame by frame. You do this to keep lip sync and scene pacing. Next, apply normalization and gentle fades to blend levels. Once done, preview full scenes to verify sync and natural pacing. Finish by exporting with the same video settings and a reliable audio codec so playback matches expectations. After export, test the file on the target device and watch for sync issues, volume inconsistencies, or missing subtitles. This is how you confirm success. If you encounter drift or misalignment, reopen the project, adjust the audio offset by small increments, then re-export that segment. One tip: if problems persist.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.